In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in Notion. Whether you're planning a project, brainstorming for a new idea, or organizing your thoughts for better clarity, mind maps can be incredibly helpful tools. And with Notion, you can effortlessly create detailed mind maps that are not only visually appealing, but also highly functional. To begin, open up your browser and go to your connected workspace in Notion. This is where all your wikis, documents, and projects are collated, offering a seamless environment for your productivity needs. If you're not already logged in, locate the Login button on the upper right corner and click on it. Enter your login credentials if prompted, and you'll be taken straight to Notion's homepage. This is your main dashboard, from which you'll be creating our mind map today. Once you're at the Notion home, the next step is to search for a mind map template. This is where the magic begins. In the search bar at the top, type mind map and hit enter. Notion's search feature will bring up a list of templates and pages related to mind maps. From the search results, select a mind map template that suits your needs. Notion provides various options, so you can choose one that aligns with your aesthetic and functionality preferences. Select a template, and you'll see the structure of the mind map laid out in front of you. When you've picked a template, look for an Add button. This button gives you the ability to start modifying and personalizing the template to your needs. Clicking on Add duplicates the template into your workspace, enabling you to start filling in the nodes with your specific content or ideas. You can name each node, drag and rearrange them as necessary, and even add colors or icons to make your mind map pop. Plan your map according to the topic you have in mind. This is where you can let your creativity fly and organize your ideas in the most efficient way possible. Also, remember to utilize Notion's features, like the ability to add links, notes, or files to any node, enhancing the depth of your mind map. And there you have it, a mind map in Notion, designed from scratch. As you continue to work on Notion, take advantage of the flexibility it provides. Alter the size, the layout, and even add new nodes as new ideas strike you. This adaptability makes Notion a powerful tool for mind mapping and beyond. Don't forget to save and share your mind map with collaborators so they can also contribute their thoughts and ideas, leading to a rich, collective brainstorming process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are inspired to create your own mind maps in Notion. Stay tuned for more tutorials to enhance your productivity toolkit.